This May 10th is Mother's Day. Many of you can say Happy Mother's Day to your mother, but I can't. So today, I wanted to record this video and say Happy Mother's Day to my mother. Mom, Happy Mother's Day. 2.5 years ago, you just told me that you have to go to Beijing, and I lost contact with you totally. I feel devastated at first, and I keep calling you, I keep calling my dad, I keep calling my grandmom. They just told me to be patient. And later on, I know that you are being detained. At first, I trust government because you have stayed away from politics. You didn't do anything harmful to the society. Even you are an extraordinary scholar, you are just an ordinary woman. You are just pursuing a peaceful life with your children. You stay away from any disputes, anything that will put you into danger. So I trust governments, they will release you one day. But 2.5 years has passed. The more days pass, the more devastated I feel. I can't help to speak out, even though if I speak out, I might put other family members in danger, or I might put you in a worse situation. I cannot even think about that because sometimes I just feel so devastated and I wanted to speak out for you. Mom, I know you. You really stay away from politics. You really follow all of the guidance that the China made. When I first came to the United States, you told me to focus on my study and don't change my mind. So when I first came to the United States, I listened to you. I just focused on my study. I just expecting one day after I finish my study, I will go home to stay with you. I will find a job at my hometown and take care of you when you're old. But now my dream is broken. Mom, I don't know your health situations, and I don't know where are you all right? But I know it is so devastating for anyone to stay in an unknown place and cannot go home and cannot reach out to their daughters for 2.5 years. But don't worry, Mom, I will save you. I will save you in a peaceful way. I will keep asking Chinese government, where is my mother? You deserve a peaceful, ordinary life just like other women. Perseverance is something that you teach me, so until I see your face, until I see you at home, until I see you go back to your normal life, I won't stop. I won't stop asking the question, where is my mom? Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I miss you so much.